Hello, today I would like to show you this extremely nice battery operated portable hammer drill, but it is more like a combo unit because you can select a couple different modes, so you've got no problem in drilling like in a metal or wood. You can also use it as a hammer drill or just like just only a chisel that you can use, for example, for removing a tile, or if you want to like cut a brick in half. It's from a Parkside Performance series. It is something like a blue Bosch, which is a more toward the professional, not just like a totally home device. It should be better, and it's using a brushless motor. And I can tell you right now that it is extremely powerful. This is the most powerful device that I ever own from a battery operated series, and I was completely blown away in the way of the amount of force that this device was able to provide. None of the Bosch power drill that was battery operated do not have that amount of force. That part is made of metal, where we've got our gearbox, we've got the SDS plus mount, we can adjust our handle, we've got a depth indicator, so you know how far do you want to drill, and it's going to be stopped on the wall, so you're not going to fall too deeply. That part is a motor, so it is a really beefy motor. This is no joke, you can clearly see. We've got ability to adjust the speed. That's only going to be useful for a wood or metal. For anything else, I had it on the maximum setting. It's compatible with a Parkside 20 volt team battery, and I believe it's designed for a 4 amp hour. Most likely the newer 8 amp hour are also going to be working just fine. I use it when I was doing my work with a 2 amp hour battery, but only with a small drill. On a larger diameter it was not enough and the battery was shutting down. And so this is how loud it is, and it's absolutely great. We've got a fancy LED that's supposed to light us where we are drilling, and that's how it looks like. Now let's see what I also purchased. That was not from a Parkside, that was a completely aftermarket thing, and as you can see we've got a nice set of different drills. Some of them, as you can see, I use quite often. Here we've got, for example, different chisels, and I tested and it was working really great. And let me show you the settings. So that's the attachment that we are going to use, the SDS plus, and you are going to pull that part and slide it inside, just like that, and we are ready to go. So the first setting is just a drilling. That option is good for wood or metal. As you can see, we do not have the movement. It's not going to go forward and backward. Then we've got the top setting, which is a drilling plus hammering. That's what you would like to do when you are drilling in a concrete. We've got that motion. As you can hear, then we've got just a chisel, but it is a quite interesting one because we can rotate. As you can see, you can make a adjustment that make a lot of sense if you've got something like this and you would like to be able to set on what angle do you want it. And the last one is just a chisel, and it's going to be locked in place. It's not going to be moving. As you can see, it has a crazy amount of force. So this is how it looks like. I'm extremely happy with my purchase. Sadly, I cannot show you anything in my lab. I've got a glass table and I cannot use it on anything, but that was an absolutely great purchase and I'm really happy. So that was just a quick look. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.